Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a famous celebrity that belongs to the music and fashion world. She is a famous singer, actress, and entrepreneur with a net worth of approximately $1.4 billion. Well, how do we say their name correctly? We may pronounce it as Rihanna, Rihanna, Rihanna. Rihanna. Rihanna is a global superstar, known for her chart-topping hits like Umbrella and Diamonds. Beyond music, she has become a powerhouse in the beauty and fashion industries, making her a true icon. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.